In this video, I will guide you how to remove Powered by Shopify from your Shopify website footer. So before jump onto the topic, I will show you what I'm talking about. I'm assuming my screen is visible to you. So I will logged in my Shopify demo website. So this is my demo store, and when I scroll down, you are also able to see here my store powered by Shopify. So before jump onto the topic, first of all, we discuss what does powered by Shopify mean. It's just a branding element for Shopify itself. It signifies that this website or maybe your website is built using the Shopify tools. So in this video, I will guide you how to remove that powered by Shopify so that your website looks more professional. Before jump onto the topic, I have a task for you. Just go to my YouTube channel and subscribe it. And if you have any queries and questions related to my previous video and for this video, just comment it. So now let's start it. There are two ways to remove Powered by Shopify from your Shopify website. One is using by the code method and another is by using the edit language content. So first of all, we go with edit language option. So now we have to jump onto the Shopify admin dashboard. So as you can see, I was on the my admin dashboard. Here you click on the online store. Once your page is completely loaded, you have to click on three dots and here you get a edit default theme content. So you have to click on that. Once the window is loaded, in filter items you have to search powered, and after searching you get this checkout and system links powered by Shopify. So just click in this column and hit enter or maybe space so that all the text is disappeared from that column, and after that hit save button. After this step, your Powered by Shopify is removed from your Shopify website. For example, I will load it my demo store so that I will show you. Just give me a second. Here my store is loaded, and as you can see in my footer there is no Powered by Shopify. So using that method you can remove the Powered by Shopify from your Shopify website. This method is basically ideal for who doesn't have any coding experience and prior coding knowledge. The and other method is using coding option. So for that I have reverted the changes in the edit language content. So here you can see Powered by Shopify, and when I reload my demo store, you are able to see Powered by Shopify in the footer. For second option, it is required to have a little bit of coding experience, but if you don't have, don't worry, I will guide you step by step process using the coding method. So again, you have to go to the admin dashboard. As you can see, I was in admin dashboard. Here you click on three dots and click here edit code. Once your code editor is open, here you have to search footer.liquid. And in footer.liquid, you have search a phrase powered by link. So just click on the footer.liquid and Control F. Here you can see a search window, and here you see powered by link. Here you get a small HTML, small class copyright content powered by link. So remove that line and save that file. Once you remove that file, your Powered by Shopify is removed from your Shopify website. So I will reload my demo store, and you can see here Powered by Shopify. Once I reload my demo store, you are not able to see the Powered by Shopify. You can see here Powered by Shopify is removed from my Shopify website footer. So using these two methods, you are able to remove Powered by Shopify from your Shopify website. Again, I request you, if you are new in my YouTube channel, so just go to on my YouTube channel and subscribe it. And please comment related to your queries and questions. I will definitely help you.